Hi, Tammy with the Minards. Join me as I take you through a brand new floor plan here on our lot, the Open Range Lite 261BH. This is a Jack and Jack bunk model weighing in at 5,950 pounds dry. As you can see, we have the fiberglass exterior on this coach, front fiberglass cap, your rock guard, power front tongue jack. You've got your propane tanks on board and your battery up at the front there as well. This coach is equipped with solar panel. Nice big pass-through storage here, totally unobstructed, so lots of room for your golf clubs, your camping chairs, all those goodies. Power awning that spans almost the whole length of the trailer. I absolutely love these nice big awnings. LED lights in the awning, outside speakers. We've got your 14-inch tires here on your tandem axle. And it also has the exterior camp kitchen. So you've got your mini fridge. We have the 2-burner cooktop here. Nice shelving at the back here. It's got pretty good height here, so you can maybe put an ice maker, coffee maker, toaster out here if you want. So that is your outside camp kitchen. As we roll around to the back of the coach here, spare tire is mounted on the back bumper. We have your rear ladder, and it is also backup camera prepped if you choose to add a backup camera. So I'm in the entryway here of the Range Lite 261BH. I should mention this is a 2022 model. To my right here, we have your entertainment system with your flat screen TV mounted on the wall, your sound bar. You've got some storage below here for movies, maybe some games, that sort of thing. So this has the one large slide, your tri-fold sofa here. Range Lite also features your roller blinds, so those are really nice, your complete blackout blinds. It does feature your 4-seater booth dinette here, and this would turn into a bed. So the tri-fold sofa as well. You could sleep technically up to 10 people in this coach if you wish. They have no carpet in this coach, so you've got your nice transition from your slide out to your flooring here. No carpet. Nice to just have a broom around to sweep up if you have to. So moving on to the kitchen here, we have some nice storage up top, nice deep cabinets, lots of room for all of your dishes and whatnot. It does feature the large stainless steel farm sink. Lots of room in there for the larger dishes or pots and pans when you're cooking around the fire. Your residential faucet with a spray port there. Cupboard below, we've got a bank of 3 drawers here on full extension drawer glides. So great place for your cutlery, your tea towels, that sort of thing. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover, and it just folds back like that. Can kind of use it as a backsplash when you're cooking. And your oven. 8 cubic foot 2-way refrigerator. So this has your propane and electric capabilities. And nice size, lots of room in there. Love the pantry. So you've got your pantry to the side of the fridge. Lots of shelves, lots of room for all of your dry goods. Double over double bunks. Each bunk has your 110 outlet, their own light, as well as a USB port. Below, you do have some great storage there as well with the netting. So you may choose to put some totes in there, that sort of thing, but the netting is a really great idea to keep all those totes in place. We have your porcelain foot flush toilet, a nice little tub in here. Don't see many tubs in bunk models anymore, so that's a nice feature, especially if you maybe have a toddler. Your shower, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. Great storage in this washroom. Up in the master bedroom here, we have your 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. Little nightstands, again, 110 outlets on either side, as well as your USB ports. They do have a drawer on each side with the nightstand. Hanging closets. Nice deep storage across the top. There's actually even a laundry chute here, so you can put a laundry basket if you choose in the storage compartment below, and nice to hide away all that laundry from camping. And below the bed, there is kind of a unique little bit of storage here. Open space in the middle, open cubbies on that side that would be great for baskets. And actually on this side, they've got 2 drawers. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the 2022 Range Lite 261BH. Again, family model, Jack and Jack bunks, 1 slide, weighing in at just under 6,000 pounds dry. If you have any questions, give us a shout at Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.